How to use golden apple in Rise of Kingdoms. So one of the things that could make you use these golden apples if your commanders is not roaming around your kingdom is to basically trigger it by doing quests. First of all, you can go ahead and make sure your city hall is level 12. At this point, you should be able to see a mission where you need to do research on the metallurgy uh, research technology. Once you do this, it will trigger an event where villagers come to your village and they will give you a golden apple. Once you get that golden apple, you'll be able to get a quest where you give this singular golden apple to a random commander that is roaming in your kingdom. You can also make sure your commanders are not going on gatherings or whatnot. Make sure they're idle or basically just in your kingdom. So once you pretty much finish these prerequisites, finish the quest that allows the villagers to give you the golden apple, make sure your city hall is level 12, and you will be able to use this golden apple to your city as well. Put in mind that the commanders here that roams around can be quite random as well. There's no feature that lets you manually choose whoever commander puts in your city. But that is one way you can use the golden apples in Rise of Kingdoms. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.